So I'm just sitting at the river and I'm being called to do some transmutation energy, and I thought that maybe this would be helpful to other people. I'm having a message come through about a willingness to accept that good things can happen. And so for me, transmuting this energy of the past, of pain and fear and doubt, and letting that become strength. So I'm going to channel this. It's kind of a rampage. Kind of sounds like a prayer. It's definitely a spell. Welcome to the working. Spirit. You're some grandpa. Alright, we're driving through the water. Okay. We're cleaning the car off. We're cleaning it off. Okay. We're channeling. Alright. The river is high right now, by the way. So, Spirit, please take any doubt, shame, fear, lack, limitation. Did I say shame? I think that's it. I gotta wash the other side of the car off. Please take them and transmute them through unconditional love in the divine light of grace. Allow them to be fully transmuted in alignment with the highest elevation, the highest, most beautiful, loving timeline available to the collective and to myself. Please transmute these energies into confidence, courage, security, self-love, love, trust, faith. Did I say courage? Harmony and peace. Beauty. Wisdom. Trust. Allow it to be done with ease. Show me how easy this work gets to be. Show me how effortless it is for me to embody exactly who I'm meant to be. Please continue to bring me the clarity and the foresight that I need to navigate any situation, or that the collective needs to navigate any situation. Allow me to know my worth. Allow me to lean into potential, possibility, allow me to be guided through the shadows of the underworld with the light of my heart. Allow me to speak truthfully into this world all of the wisdom that you give me. Allow me to feel whole and complete in every moment, in every situation. Bring me the trust that I need to navigate. Bring me the truth that I am, and may I see the truth in others. Help me be aligned with my true will, and help me respect the will of others always. Help me see others. Help me meet them with compassion and love. Help me remain grounded. Help me remain authentic and sovereign in every energy that I navigate. I'm opening the crown. Oh yeah, okay, we're releasing. I'm opening the crown so that the channel may flow in. I'm clearing the perception from the third eye. I'm clearing any judgment. Oh. And bringing in its place wisdom and truth. Clearing the heart space. Supporting the heart space with self-worth and the ability to honor that worth. Going down into the sacral, allowing the divine channel to be created and felt on the earthly plane. And lastly, going down through the root, creating safety and security, and allowing this to manifest on the earthly plane. Down through the legs, through the earth. May this ground fully, completely, in divine order, just have a little bit of a headache kind of coming through, so I'm just going to clear out the third eye a little bit more. It seems as though there's a perception that you need to perceive, and you don't always need the answers. Sometimes it's about the trust. And back through the crown. Through every timeline, dimension, place, and space, with unconditional love, gratitude, reverence, and love, harmony, justice, beauty, magic, peace, sovereignty, liberation, truth, and free. Honor, glory. May it be. I love you so much. If you got anything out of this, I'm so grateful you're here. The work you're doing really fucking matters. Like, not only does it have the ability to impact the world, but like, just being someone who chooses yourself, to really, really choose yourself and choose to lean into trust and to choose that you are worthy of your dreams and desires, to really actually go to the place of prioritizing yourself and knowing yourself on a deeply profound level is a journey that most people won't take. So if you are doing this work, I see you. In a world where it feels like you can be overlooked, you are seen, you are felt, you are heard, you are known. I love you so much. If I love you, that means you love you, because I'm your mirror. I hope you have wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.